The cathedral's massive structure has been overlooking Piazza Maggiore since 1431, year of construction start. Works were completed in 1502. The outside of the building is therefore inspired to Veneto late Gothic style, whereas the interior looks clearly oriented to Renaissance architectonic and pictorial solutions. The church, dedicated to Our Lady of the Assumption, contains several masterpieces. Among these, you will find the altarpiece representing the Transfiguration of Christ by Veronese, located on the altar by Sansovino, the large fresco of the Assumption on the apse half dome painted by Buonconsiglio, and others of his works, like the astonishing panel painting of the Virgin and Child with Saints on the right wall. Two frescoes, located to inner door sides and representing Judith and David, have been attributed to Giorgione. Transept apses are remarkable for the elegant conches embellishing the half-domes and for the magnificent 18th century altars. Here, traces of previous Renaissance frescoes are easily recognizable. In Rosary Chapel, you can admire a 15th century wooden sculpture of the Virgin, which is particularly venerated by locals, and the mysterious astronomic fresco above. Those interested in the Veneto region history cannot miss the great canvas depicting the Battle of Lepanto.